Welcome to TechPacks, your partner in advanced research and development. In this video, we will be presenting the details about one of the most demanding research projects titled Enhancing Network Security, Infinite Feature Selection, and Multiclass SVM-based Intrusion Detection System. This research project can be extended further to publish a research paper in a reputed journal or used for your PhD or MTech thesis. So, if you are a researcher, PhD, or MTech research scholar working on a similar research project and need expert guidance to handle the complexities of research in this field, you're in the right place. Watch this video till the end to gain valuable insights into the project's objectives, methodology, and results. We'll also provide a demo of the code in action, showcasing its key features and functionalities. So, let's begin. Our professional researcher will now take the lead and guide you through the details. Here we go.
Hello friends, welcome to TechPacks Research and Innovation Services. Today I'm here to present you one of the applications that is designed by using the artificial intelligence in order to provide the network security. So before moving to the video and the topic, let's see that what we will cover into this video. In this video, initially we will discuss about that whatever the application we have designed, it is related to which areas. Then we will see what are the files and the codes we have developed and how to execute it along with the software requirements for it. Then we will discuss about what are the current systems those are working into the same domain and what are the problems identified into it, along with the overview of the proposed method that we have designed for this particular application. Finally, an overall experimental outcomes and brief of the findings will be given into it. So let's talk about the application area. As the application is designed for the network security, so it is related to the detection of the intrusions like unauthorized person who are trying to process or communicate in the network. So this is related to the security obviously. So internet related security, so that no unauthorized person can directly use the internet or transfer the data from one place to another. Digital security, like doing the transactions, financial transactions and other related things. Network security, so that within a network, within offices or institutes where the data is getting transferred or communication among the people are doing through the networks, that cannot be get easily tracked and can use the data unauthorizedly. So data protection is also like many credit financial information in your phones, in your laptops, in your systems that cannot be easily decoded or easily can be accessed by the unauthorized person. So by their behavior easily it can be detected that whether the access or the request is intrusion or not. So these are the application areas specifically for the securities where this developed system can be implemented. The challenge is like how effective the classification is. Implementing AI is not a hard job, but the algorithm that we are designing for detecting the system or classifying something, that is the important part. So let's see that what we have done and how to execute those code. So we will provide you the folder. This is a folder in which the code will be there, so you just need to go to that folder. So along with that, to run the code, we do implement the whole system in MATLAB software. So you must have the MATLAB software with you. So the version that I am using here is MATLAB 2019A. So you can use now in MATLAB 2018 or the higher version, but make sure the MATLAB software you must have will not be a trial one, it should be the full version. So you can either buy it or can find the sources for it. So how to execute it, you just need to go to the folder where the code is placed and you just need to copy this path, Control C, and then go to the MATLAB, and here you can see it is address bar. Here you just need to Control V, paste and enter. You can see whatever the code was there, it is available now in the current folder. Here is the main fnl file .m file, which is a MATLAB file which is used to execute the data. So as you will open the file, here is the editor window which is shifted from home to editor. There is a run button. You just need to click on the run button and the code will start executing. For this, only the requirement is like MATLAB software with the full version, not the trial one, because there are certain libraries those are mandatory to run this particular code. So now let's see that what is done into it and what currently the people are doing. The people currently are working on the intrusion detection systems by using the different data sets. So there are different data sets available in the market. So currently we are working on the KDD data sets. So you can get this data set online directly on the multiple platforms. You just need to write KDD intrusion detection dataset. So it is available at multiple platforms. You can get it from, and there are two forms of, one is KDD cup 99 and one is NSL KDD, like, so you can get it from the UCI machine learning website, from the Kaggle website. So here is the NSL KDD dataset. You can see all these information is available over here in the different formats. This is KDD cup 99 dataset. So you can directly get in the labeled in the text form, whatever the format you want to have. So here you can get the data in the different types. So we are using the NSL KDD dataset, KDD++ dataset, in which there are two files of KDD train and test, right? So all these files you can easily download it from here. So it is a network security, information security, cyber security related data set. So details of the data set can be get from here, that who has collected it, from where you can get it. Even the recent data sets are also available for it, so you can further proceed with working on those data sets also. So after getting these data set, you will have the Excel files with you. So you can see there are two Excel files with us having the different information related to the patterns for the network intrusions. Those are labeled as the different classes of the attacks. So here the data set are related to the Bennigan, denial of services, probe, R2L and U2R. So these are the class names which we are covering under this data set. So the people are generally using the dataset, and further they are directly giving this dataset to the different classifiers, either for the machine learning or the deep learning. Like people are using RNN, or they are using normal random forest, KNN, such kind of classifiers. But using the dataset as it is, instead of knowing that what exactly the important features are, it increase the complexity. The raw information that they are using might be not a patterned one, so obviously the accuracy of detection will get degraded. So inspired from this, in our system what we have done, we have done the work in multiple phases. One of the improvement that we have implemented is, like, we have calculated the weights by using the infinite feature selection method. Then optimization based algorithm, that is WOA, and PSO, Wolf optimization algorithm. So you can get the details for the optimization algorithm on the online. So here you can see WOA optimization. So this is one of the optimization algorithm, that is whale optimization algorithm, that is used to solve the optimization problem. Here problem is to select the optimum feature, but there are certain issues with the WA model, so we are hybriding it with the PSO optimization. So PSO is basically particle swarm optimization. So particle swarm optimization. So in the WA, the outcomes get stuck in certain scenarios when we need to explore the new solutions. So in order to avoid that scenarios, we are adding the features of PSO with it. So finally, as it is having the number of classes with it, not only the binary one, but a number of classes are there, as I already show you in the initial stage. Like the classes that we are using are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Five classes are there. So normal classifier will not be recommended. Till now we have found that the SVM, sport vector machine, is the best classifier. So we are using a variant of multi-class SVM model to classify the intrusions. So what we have done, let's run the code. So in order to run the code, you just need to click on the run main file. It will start processing. So I have labeled with the different steps whatever will take place in it, will be shown here in the command window. So initially the data set is processed, then it is labeled, labels are separated. After reading the data set, what we are doing, we are processing the information and extracting the data from it. Then WA PSO proposed method is implemented in order to get the feature set which are to be selected. So on the basis of these weights, because weights are generated by the infinite feature selection, these weights are further used with the WOA-PSO to evaluate which features are best to selected. Then on that behalf, the data is given further to the classifier for the multi-class SVM. So these are the features those get selected. This is the convergence curve of the WOPSO, and these were the initial information during the processing, that how many samples were there in the original data set. And once the data set is processed, the training is started, and after the training is started with the multi-class SVM, whatever the predicted outcomes we will achieve, on that behalf we are calculating the stats like accuracy, sensitivity, specificity, recall, and F-score. Let the simulation to be completed so that we can discuss about the results. So it is still processing, so because the training gonna take some time, so by calculating the confusion stats from which we can get the true positive, true negative, false positive, and false negative, those are assisting in calculating these factors. We have calculated that one. It will be shown in the tabular form, and the average results are shown in the graphical form, right? So bar graphs have been used to represent the results. So training is under process, so it will take few seconds to get completed, because it totally depends upon the data set that we are following to train the network. So the whole network can be further proceeded with the latest intrusion data set, like IoT data set is there, then other than the UNSW data set is there. So evaluation can also be done, and even further modifications are still possible, because here multi-class SVM is used, which is a machine learning classifier. So deep learning can be a good option, but opting a good classifier can be an advancement. So currently novelty of this work is, as we have proposed, WOAPSO optimization algorithm, which is developed by us in order to get the best fitted features of the dataset, so that network can learn the patterned data and can get the assistance in classifying the intrusions easily from the network, so that it can secure the communication, transactions, and many other areas where it can be real-timely implemented. So you can get the feature number out of the total features, that which features are get selected, and it will vary every time when you will run the code. So you can see the system that we have achieved is like having the accuracy of 90%, sensitivity of this, specificity of this, recall, and F1 score. Individual class wise data is like this. So this is the confusion matrix for individual class, for individual attack. So this was the convergence curve. You can see in many less iterations it is achieving a good fitness. Here the fitness is basically the best fitted set of features, those have more pattern and improving the outcomes. Finally, the results has been represented in accuracy, F1 score, recall, sensitivity, and specificity that is increased. So here you can see this accuracy is around 90%, which is the average accuracy basically. So as per the class data and the data which we are using, it totally depends upon that how much accuracy you are achieving. As many times you will run the code, the results will be different, and the best fitted classifier will be used for the real-time scenario. So we need to run it again and again. That is the scenario of any of the AI application. So further modifications are still possible, so you can connect us to get the information related to that. Thanks for watching the video.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. For more information about this research project and to get our consultancy services, click the link in the description below. At TechPax, we offer comprehensive support for researchers, PhD, and MTech students in the fields of engineering and ICT. Our services include selection of research topic, helping you choose the right topic tailored to your interests and the latest trends. Synopsis preparation, crafting a clear and concise synopsis with well-defined objectives. Coding assistance, providing expert help with writing and optimizing code in various tools and platforms. Research paper writing, assisting in drafting and editing research papers to meet the highest academic standards. Dissertation writing, offering complete support for your dissertation, ensuring consistency and quality. Plagiarism check and removal, ensuring your work is original and free from plagiarism with advanced detection tools. We also offer customization services to meet your specific project needs. Whether you require a modification of an existing project or a completely new application, our team of experts is here to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on cutting-edge research projects and expert advice. Thank you for choosing TechPacks. We look forward to collaborating with you on your research journey.